Are you worried someone's reading your emails on a device you forgot to sign out of? Learn how to kick them off in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to find and remove any device from your Google account. Let's start at the homepage. Start by heading to the Google homepage. Then, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. On the left side panel, click on Security and Sign In. Scroll down and click on Manage All Devices. You'll see a list of devices currently signed in. Click the device you want to remove. Finally, click Sign Out to disconnect it from your account. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.